people, and welcome back. My hair is dripping down my back. I need to get started. Anyway, I haven't done a video like this in a really long time. Just back to basics. You and me, no studio, nothing fancy, like just chill. So I hope you enjoy this, because I'm gonna enjoy it. I'm gonna talk your head off, but we're gonna have fun. And I'm gonna show you how I style my curly hair, updated curly hair routine, and a makeup look that I've been oh so obsessed with. So let's get started, shall we? Just hopped out of the shower. The hair is nice and damp, like I like it. The hair is kind of dripping, so I'm gonna take my microfiber towel from DevaCurl and just kind of damp it. I'm gonna go ahead and go right in with my Ouai Curl Cream. I've talked about this in the last video when I told you guys what I was using after the whole Monat debacle. This is it, here it is. I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my hair really quick. The consistency is so thick with this product. And let me tell you, this curl cream is not the cheapest. There's not a lot of products that we can buy that's cheap that's really good. So you have to spend a little bit of money on your hair, but what I love about this curl cream is that it's so thick in consistency, I don't have to use as much product. So even though I'm paying more, I use less product. The best Shea Moisture conditioner that I've used for my type of hair is the Jamaican Black Castor Oil conditioner. And that's pretty thick, but this is even thicker. And that's what I appreciate about it. Plus, it's like a really aesthetic bottle if you care about that kind of stuff. But I mean, look at that, it's so pretty. I have been loving using the curl cream, loving it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my Denman brush and go ahead and brush this through. It glides so easy with this product. My hair really likes it. If you have not tried it already, you have to try it. Another product that I kind of go in between with my Ouai Curl Cream is the Fanola Reconstructing Conditioner. This is it here. This product is one and done. I usually do not have to use any other product. It's not as thick in consistency. It's very light, so you have to use more of it. I don't have to use any gel. I don't have to use anything else but that product, and it leaves my hair really nice and voluminous. I have a video of me just using that product, and I've been really loving it. I feel like when I made that video, I didn't love it as much as I do now. And I'll go between whenever I am going out and I really want my hair to be stunning, I use my Ouai Curl Cream, but whenever I'm just like, let's get this going quick, fast, easy, I use my Fanola to get the volume. I'm just going to separate it and just brush and make sure we're good to the root. I don't do my finger coiling anymore because it takes so much time, and I've gotten so impatient with my hair. But I just kind of will rake it with my hands, as you can see I'm doing. Rake it like this and pull it through, and it looks straight, but like a ribbon. The straighter it is, the curlier it gets. I hope that makes sense. I know that I've said that before and it's made sense to some of you, so hopefully it still makes sense. This is just to really help get that product to the root, because that's the biggest problem with curly hair. If you do not get your roots covered in product, you run the risk of being very frizzy and uncontrollable. I don't like to part my hair in the middle when it's curly because I'll look like Lord Farquaad, like legit. Brush it forward. And you can use the Denman brush and do like a cool technique that I've done in the past. You're just gonna go like this. So that works too. And then I'm going to keep my hair forward like this and add my Miss Jessie's Jelly Soft Curls to lock everything in. I get many questions about how I handle my curls with the humidity, and usually I would say, good luck. But lately I've found that this really has been helping me with the humidity. This helps lock in the moisture of the curls and really helps them keep their form all day long. Once I feel like I've applied all the product and it's off of my hands, I'll take my microfiber towel and go ahead and scrunch again. And then we're gonna flip out. There you go. Take a little toothbrush, just kinda. Okay, and I just put on my little headband so that I can go ahead and put on my makeup to just keep my hair back. The best thing about warmer weather is I don't have to schedule my wash days. I can just wet it anytime, any day, and be chill. I love that about warmer weather. That's it for my curly hair routine. Like, that's all that I do now. Obviously, this is not the most defined curl that I'm gonna get, but this is just a nice, quick and easy, manageable thing that I can do now, and I'm loving it. So I will leave all of the products that I used in the description box, of course, just for you. And a lot of them are on my Amazon store. And Amazon has the best prices on a lot of these things. So I'm gonna make sure I link that for you as well so you guys can check it out. Now we're gonna start with the makeup. This has been my go-to look. I already did my skincare routine. It's super important, especially in the summer, to make sure your skin is properly moisturized when you do your makeup. I am really loving the dewy natural look. Thankfully, it is the trend now, the popular thing, and because it's the popular thing, they have more makeup products available to people that want to do that kind of look. So yeah, I'm really excited about that, and I'm so happy to like experiment more with stuff. To start, I'm gonna be using my favorite foundation. This is my go-to, this is the OG, this is what I've been using for like ever. I like it so much because it's not too heavy, it's not too light, it's the perfect amount of coverage. It's inexpensive, easy to find anywhere you go. This is the True Match Lumi foundation from L'Oreal, and it also has SPF in it, which is important to me because I usually wear a separate SPF whenever I'm going out and I know I'm gonna be in direct sunlight. If I can incorporate makeup with SPF in it, easy. We like low maintenance here. This is the color C5 Classic Beige. I like to just put a couple pumps on my hand like that and then dot it. Honestly, I don't need 2 pumps. I don't know why I did 2 pumps, but we're here. I've been loving using the Beauty Blender for this like dewy natural makeup look because I feel like it just absorbs into the skin a lot better. And it has to be damp. Don't use a dry Beauty Blender. Don't do it. Don't do it. So now we're gonna go ahead and go straight into brows. I love starting off with the clear brow gel from Anastasia and just kind of brushing the eyebrows up. Now I'm gonna take my spoolie from the Anastasia Brow Wiz. This is my favorite thing, especially when you're going for more of a natural light makeup look. Brush the hairs again, spreading that gel even more. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take the pencil part of it and just lightly fill in the brow area. My brows couldn't decide whether they wanted to be thick or thin, so they did this. Upward motion, really light. I'm doing it very, very lightly. Here we go, look how light that is. Look how nice. I haven't been using this consistently, but I've just been trying it out. It's the e.l.f. Wow Brow. This is what it looks like. It's like, I think it was like $2. I was like, let me just try it out. I bought it before we went on our camping trip. And I was like, oh, this is actually really nice. I got the color brunette, of course, because we're brunette here. And it has like a light little color to it. Here we go. I like how they look. They're very natural. Now I'm gonna go in with concealer, and I'm gonna use the Tarte Shape Tape. This is a new way that I'm doing my concealer because I've been roasted on TikTok that doing it like this it's not the thing to do anymore. I have seen a difference when I've been doing my makeup like this lately. Instead of fully covering the eye, it definitely looks a lot more natural. I'm gonna go ahead and take my Beauty Blender and just lightly dab that in there. It's gonna make your face shape seem higher, tighter, give you the illusion of a little facelift. You see that? Once it's blended properly, it looks very nice. Love it. Now we're gonna go in with bronzer, my favorite part. And we're using my Fenty Beauty. This is Beijing Gal. Use my brush, OG brush. Just kind of go in very lightly. I'm gonna do a small contour on the nose. Just taking my 224 MAC brush and the Beijing Girl bronzer. I'm just going in. Wait, did I say nose? And then I just did my eye? We're challenged. We're gonna do the eye too, because I actually was wanting to do that. To just kind of add some definition in the eye area. And then we'll take it down to the nose. And small contour on the nose. Just a little bit. Now for my favorite part. I have been loving the cream blushes. I got this one from Ulta Beauty. It was just like on one of their racks when I was in line, and I just grabbed it to just try it out, and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. This one is in the color Charmed. I'm interested to see what the higher end cream blushes do, because this one I love and it works really well. Just take it and I apply it all the way up my cheekbone, put it on top of my nose and even in there. And I also put it on my lips, because it says on the thing, it says for lips and cheeks. If you have recommendations for cream blushes on the higher end, drop them for me, I wanna know. I'm gonna go ahead and take my brush from BH Cosmetics, my 123 brush, and I'm going to pat this all in and watch how easy this blends. Watch how pretty. You see that? Oh, my new favorite thing. I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Anastasia Glow Kit. It's rinky dink, but we're just gonna pretend that it's not. I'm gonna take Summer, because it feels like summer, and I'm gonna go in on my brow line to just give that some sheen on the bridge of my nose, a little bit up there. I'm gonna take my eye pencil from MAC in the color Coffee, and we're gonna do a little wing before I do my mascara. So I sharpened it really nice and sharp so that I could do this. Doesn't have to be perfect because we're gonna blend it out, but this is what we're gonna do. Then I'm gonna take my MAC 266 SE little brush, and we're gonna blend this out and kind of make it very smoky. After we've kind of blended that out a bit, I'm gonna drag it underneath. Then we're gonna take a flat shader brush, just looks like this. Something flat that you can put like either foundation or concealer. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the foundation I used, not too much, just like a really low amount, and I'm just going to perfect this. Now we're gonna take my favorite mascara. You already know what it is. L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black. Best stuff in the world. I've tried. What was that mascara that everyone was raving about on TikTok? It had like, it was like in a pink bottle. I think it was from Maybelline. I tried it because I was super excited because everyone said it was better than L'Oreal Telescopic. Lies. It did not make my eyelashes look that much better. Like, if anything, it made them look the same. But the worst thing about that mascara is that it was so hard to remove when I went to go take my makeup off. It was like glue to my lashes. I did not like that. I will stick to using my L'Oreal Telescopic. It's not a big deal. Watch what I do. Take your Brow Wiz or any kind of spoolie that you have, right? Watch this. It's gone. And look how I did. I have something on my eye there. Easy. It's gone. Who would have known? I'm gonna go ahead and put on some on the bottom. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. I'm gonna use the All Nighter spray from Urban Decay. And that's it. I'm gonna take off my little headband. And the hair is starting to dry already. Look at that. It's drying really fast. That's all for today's video. I hope that you guys found this helpful. I hope you enjoyed getting back to basics with me and just chilling and doing makeup, hair. Let me know if this video was helpful to you. That is like all that I want my videos to be. Helpful and inspiring. Thank you guys again so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye. Da, 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 da.